Okay, I'm going to show you how to use Google Forms in your classroom as a survey or as a means to gather data. So in your Drive, go to New and then More, Google Forms. A new form will open up and you can get started by giving it a name. I'm just going to call it Now, once you've titled your Google form, just like with the other Google Suite things, you click up here and it saves the name the exact same in your Drive. Now, to create questions, there's an example for you already here. So you can click here and just start to type whatever it is that you want, and you can see that Google Forms decided for us that this should be a short answer question. If you don't want it to be a short answer question, you can click here and see the other options of questions, but in this case, if I want somebody to type in their name, I want it to be a short answer. Now, right here you can see that the required is turned on. You can turn it off if you want a question to be optional. However, for this example, I'm going to leave it on because I do want the respondent to leave their name. Now, to create another question, you can go about it two ways. You can either click here and duplicate the question and make the exact same question you had before. If that's not something that you want, you can delete it and come up here and click Add Question. So the default is always multiple choice, but you can change it to be any of these. I'm going to show you how these options, some of them work. So we already saw short answer. Multiple choice is just multiple choice. Checkboxes is the TEI version of multiple select. Drop down is just multiple choice in another format. And then linear scale is the other one I'm going to show you. So we'll start here with a multiple choice question. What is your favorite ice cream flavor? And can't type. So you can type in whatever options you want, as many options as you want. I'm only going to put 3, but you could just keep adding and adding and adding until your heart is content. You can also add an image for each one. I'm not going to go over that today. For my next question, I'm going to go ahead and click Add Question. And this time I'm going to type, how would you rate your day so far? And you can see once again, Google Forms has decided that this should be a linear scale question, which is perfect. And you have to decide what 1 and what 5 represent, or your min and max. So I'm going to say 1 is, it is not great yet, and 5 is amazing in all caps. Now you can change your scale to be 1 and anything greater than 1. So if you want it to be a 1 through 10 scale, then that's fine. You select 10, and 10 is my amazing. Again, my questions have been set for required. One last question choice I want to show you is the checkbox option. So again, it's like multiple choice, except this time you can have multiple options instead of selecting just the one. So what is your favorite type of weather? Rain, snow, sunny, combo of rain and sun, ice, whatever you want, cold. And now the person or people that are responding can select multiple answers, and you can even go ahead and say select all that apply. Now, if you want to see what it looks like for the person that's answering it, you come up here to this eyeball and click preview. And this is what the survey will look like, or whatever you would like to call it, for the person that is answering. And we can actually go ahead and take it and then submit. Now you can see that it has this option here, submit for another response. So let me show you how to take that off. If you want the people or person taking the survey to only be able to answer it one time, you click on the gear, the settings, and right here is this limit to one response. So you would select it and save it, and now the people taking it from here on out can only take it one time. Another option for the gear is if you want to collect email addresses. Now, for everyone that takes it from here on out, again, since I've already taken it, it didn't collect my email address, but for anybody who takes it from now on, will collect their email address. And click Save. The way that you see the data is right here, responses. You can see one person has taken it so far. And you can see the data displayed in these nice graphs for you that were created immediately by Google. If, for example, on this question, how would you rate your day so far, you can see that somebody selected 9, and if there are multiple answers, there are no names attached, so you can't see who selected what. If you go up here, however, to this green plus and create a spreadsheet, I'm going to create a new spreadsheet because we haven't done this yet. Now Google will generate a spreadsheet, and you can see at this date and time that Kristen selected cookies and cream, rated their day 9, and selected snow and sunny. Again, my email address is not there because I selected it after I had already taken the survey. Hopefully you found this helpful, and if you have any more questions, please let me know.